Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining in today in a new video and the first video in approximately 2 months or so, 1.5 maybe. I disappeared for a while. I will get into that, but first let's explain what I'll be doing today. So I'll be drawing some water drops with graphite and a white pastel pencil on Strathmore toned grey paper. It was just a little sketch that I did in my sketchbook to get back into drawing because I hadn't drawn a lot before I made this little video. So I do have the real-time version with voiceover over on my Patreon for those who'd like to draw along and recreate this drawing as well. So head over on there if you're interested. But of course I'll also explain a little bit what I'm doing here in this video. So first I'll be drawing the outlines of the water drops using a Pentel mechanical pencil, 0.5 millimeters, and it is 2B. So just sketching the drops a bit. I don't use a reference for this one, so just out of my head some random water drops. Then after that I'm starting to add some shading. So the light is coming from the right, the sunlight, which means that I'm adding a shadow to the left sides of all the drops. So let's explain a little bit on why I disappeared for 2 months. So unfortunately this summer wasn't too nice for me. First of all, it was extremely hot here in the Netherlands, over 40 degrees Celsius, which is way too much for us. It was way too hot here in the apartment, but luckily it was only about 5 days that it was so hot, so not too bad. And then some things happened, multiple things, which I won't get into too much because it involves family and I don't want to put that publicly on YouTube here. But those things took up a lot of time and energy, and I got really behind on my work, like on all my work, not only on YouTube but also on Patreon and on my commissions. So yeah, which caused a lot of stress because I don't like running behind on things. I always like to stay on schedule or ahead of schedule, and when I run behind I get so stressed because I don't want to disappoint anyone. But you know, because I was so busy digesting everything that happened within my family and relationship, that I just couldn't work. I was too stressed to work, so I figured I just needed some time off. Luckily, I did see it coming, kind of, so I did warn my patrons in advance that I was going to be a little absent in August, so the damage was not too bad. And now it's almost September and I'm feeling better again. I took some rest and I just didn't work for about 4 weeks. I didn't spend any time on my own business. I did do some other stuff. I'm working on multiple projects, but on my own business I didn't spend any time. But now I'm starting to get better. Everything's good again, here at home at least. And I took some rest and I'm feeling like working again, so I'm getting my energy back. And I'm also really looking forward to the fall and the winter, so I'm really getting energy from that as well. Although it won't be fall until October, but I'm already looking forward to it, so I get a lot of energy from that as well. And yeah, so I'm slowly picking up my full days of work again. I'm not sure how much time I will have to make videos for you. I will get into my monthly video creating on Patreon again, so all the tutorials there and the other stuff. And I will try to get into regular uploads on YouTube again, but I can't promise anything because it just takes a lot of time, and I don't have a lot of that, unfortunately, at the moment. But at least I hope that you like this little video. I hope you liked the drawing. It was a very quick little drawing. It took about 40 minutes to make, so not a lot. And I really had fun with it though. You can do some really nice 3D looking drawings just with grey paper and a black and white pencil or a grey pencil. The pastel pencil I used was Faber-Castell Pitt, the white one, and then a white Sakura Jelly Roll pen as well for the highlights, the very bright highlights. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments below how your summer has been. If you went on a vacation or a holiday, let me know in the comments below. And then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.